Why do we hiccup, and can it ever be dangerous? Hiccups happen when your diaphragm, the muscle that helps you breathe, suddenly spasms. This pushes air through your vocal cords, making the hic sound. Most hiccups are harmless, but if they last for days, it could mean something serious. Have you ever had hiccups that just wouldn't stop? Comment below.